Bonsoir à tous, ravi de vous retrouver pour ce 7e numéro de Grand Écran. Cette semaine, comme dans chaque version courte, je vous ai préparé une sélection de films à l'affiche mercredi prochain. Cette fois-ci, il y en a 8. Et le premier de ces 8 films, c'est Sexy Dance 4, une franchise qui rapporte et qui bénéficie donc d'un 4e opus au scénario aussi original que les précédents. Souhaitons que les chorégraphies inspirées du flash mob vaillent le coup d'œil.
Topping our local headlines, Miami's Ocean Drive was transformed today into what some are describing as a public disturbance.
You ready?
You're kidding, right?
The question on everyone's mind is, who is the mob?
You dance?
Don't you know how this works? I hold a drink in my hand, you dance around me, make me look good. What are you doing tomorrow night? Didn't you ever want to be a part of something different? Something special? The mob is our way to shout. It's like us saying, listen up. We exist.
I want in.
She's dancing lead. Consider it your initiation.
Once again, the mysterious group is attracting both fans and critics.
I don't want you hanging around with those people.
I wish I could just break the rules.
Break the rules.
People want us to push it. It's time to get motivated.
We can change things.
Mélange des genres et casting de choc, voici la recette de Jusqu'à ce que la fin du monde nous sépare, dans lequel Steve Carell décide de retrouver son amour de jeunesse avec l'aide de Keira Knightley. Attention, la fin du film pourrait vous laisser sur votre faim.
The final mission to save mankind has failed. The 70-mile-wide asteroid known as Matilda is set to collide with Earth in exactly 3 weeks' time, and we'll be bringing you our countdown to the end of days, along with all your classic rock favorites.
So feel free to wear your casual Friday clothing pretty much any day of the week. And if anyone wants to be CFO. Anyone?
So, what are you doing with the rest of your life?
Catching up on some me time, find God, maybe move around some chairs.
Maybe I'll run into you on Orgy or something.
Well, that sounds nice. Listen, Elsa, you don't have to come next week. Or ever. If you don't want to. It's okay.
You're fighting me?
There's just no need. Forget it.
See you next week, Mr. Dutch.
I regret my entire life.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye now.
We should set up Dodge with Karen, don't you think?
It's everything I never wore.
The sky is falling. I do with a different girl every day. You don't care about diseases. Are you gonna call them back? Or are you related, you know?
No, I don't. I don't.
You don't?
Hello? You okay?
I'm never gonna see my family again.
Would you like to come in?
I won't steal anything if you don't kill me.
Agreed.
Who's the girl? She the one that got away?
Well, they all got away, but she was the first, yeah.
Let's go find her.
You need to go, right now. If you drive me to where I need to go, I can get you to your family. Luckily, I'm getting my midlife crisis in just under the wire. Hi, welcome to Frenzy's, where everyone's your friend.
I believe you guys are still open. And do you know what? It's his birthday today. Why didn't you tell me that?
Yeah, we should go.
Don't be serious.
How fast are you going?
15 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Given the... Couldn't you find it in your heart to give my friend here a fighting chance of being with the one he loves before we all reach our untimely conclusion?
No.
Abraham Lincoln, chasseur de vampires, adaptation du roman éponyme de Seth Graham Smith, l'idée mérite d'être originale.
And I heard, as it were, the noise of thunder. And I looked, and behold, was death, saying, "Come and see."
History prefers legends to men, soaring speeches to quiet deeds. History remembers the battle, but forgets the blood. However history remembers me before I was a president, it shall only remember a fraction of the truth.
And hell will follow you.
There is darkness everywhere, Mr. Lincoln.
My mother was murdered. I can see the rage burning.
Tip the balance for the good of all mankind.
I shall kill them all.
This war ends tonight. Only the living can kill the dead.
Terry, c'est une comédie pas comme les autres autour d'un ado pas comme les autres. Allez, je vous laisse découvrir ça en images.
Your teachers are telling me you won't participate in the lessons. You've begun to wear pajamas every day. Do you understand, from my perspective, how those things could be categorized as red flags?
They're just comfortable on me.
What's up with you, Tear Bear?
Don't call me that. So do you think you and your wife are gonna get divorced?
Just a fight. I screw up all the time, because that's what people do. Life's a mess, dude, but we're all just doing the best we can.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, Heather. Feeling better, Uncle James?
Up and down?
Nice pajamas, man.
Where were we?
You were getting mad at me about my tardies.
No, listen. You want a mop ball?
Yeah, thank you.
I called a psychic on the phone today. It's something I really do.
Autre comédie, plus déjantée que décalée, mélange de Very Bad Trip et d'American Pie, My Best Man présente néanmoins un risque que tout soit dit dans la bande-annonce. Je vous laisse en juger.
Surprise!
How was your trip? Tell us everything.
Did you have sex with anyone?
Better than that. I'm getting married.
Right, everybody out!
We're right behind you all the way. Just tell us where the party is.
It's at Mia's parents' house in Australia.
Was that a joke?
Oh, you're joking.
David, this is my mum, Barbara.
What are the bride and groom going to be doing on their final night of freedom?
We're gonna get wankered.
This is Ramsey.
He's a son Dad never had.
What is Ramsey doing in my room? Who? The sheep.
Just checking if you needed any clean towels.
Graham? Need some towels?
No thanks, Barbara. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Barbara.
Is that cocaine? Well, don't just stand there gawping. Line 'em up!
You're gonna have to take care of the best man speech.
Tits. Tits.
It's supposed to be the most memorable day of my life. Well, it probably isn't, a way. It's not what it looks like.
Les Saphirs, histoire vraie de 3 sœurs aborigènes repérées par un musicien irlandais qui les convainc de se mettre à la soul. De l'Australie, les Saphirs s'envolent pour le Vietnam où elle chante pour les Marines et déchaîne les foules. Rebecca Hall incarne Lady Vegas, stripteaseuse reconvertie dans les paris sportifs. Elle découvre au cours du film que la chance peut tourner très vite. À cœur ouvert, adaptation d'un roman de Mathias Hénard, la vie de deux chirurgiens du cœur dont la vie bascule quand ils découvrent, contre toute attente, qu'ils vont devenir parents. Vous voici au courant des sorties ciné à ne pas louper, et nous voici arrivés au terme de cette émission. Vous pouvez la retrouver avec toutes les autres sur notre site web dont l'adresse est indiquée dans ce générique. À suivre A Link to the Past Week. Quant à nous, on se retrouve la semaine prochaine. Salut!